Welcome to my channel. Today I will be preparing seafood pie. So I'll show you what I have for my seafood pie. This is what I have for my seafood pie. On this plate here is squid known as calamari. On that plate is prawns. And you have shallots. On this plate you have seabass, salmon, cod. You have green beans, new potatoes, dijon mustard, cayenne pepper, nutmeg, ground black pepper, natural sea salt, plain flour, unsalted butter, matured cheddar cheese, chive for garnish, and jumbo cubes. Okay, now I'm gonna put the oven on to preheat it before I start my cooking. Okay. Now I'm gonna boil my new potatoes, half almost cooked. Then I'll cross it. Add water. Then a little bit of salt, any kind of salt. But me, I prefer natural sea salt. Now I'm gonna chop this salad, then cut salmon, cod, sea bass into cubes, and calamari I'm gonna cut it like rings, then mix them all in one bowl before I put my seasoning. Okay. On this plate you have cut sea bass, salmon, cod. I'm gonna put it here, mix it with the prawns. Then you have the squid known as calamari. Then add a pinch of sea salt, natural sea salt. Then add a little bit of ground black pepper. Not too much. Then add, this is optional. Some people don't like jumbo, but me, I like jumbo. So you add 1 chip of jumbo cubes. Then I add my salad, chopped salad. Then I mix it together. I mix the seasoning. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna put my unsalted butter to make my bechamel sauce. So the bechamel sauce, I'm gonna use butter and whole milk butter, whole milk, a bottle of whole milk. So I'm gonna put the butter first to melt it. I'll melt my butter. When the butter is melted, then I'll add my whole milk, dijon mustard, cayenne pepper, nutmeg, and a little bit of salt and pepper, just a little bit. Now I'm gonna add sea salt, a little bit of salt on my potatoes before I crush it. Then a little bit of brown black pepper. Then unsalted butter. I'm gonna put half of it. Then I'll cross it. Now I'm gonna add milk. Now I'm gonna add teaspoon of half teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Half teaspoon. Half teaspoon nutmeg. Then 1 teaspoon dijon mustard. Now I'm going to add the flour. My bechamel is ready. Yeah, I don't want it thick. Now I'm gonna put my seafood on these pie dishes. That's the seafood pie. Inside the pie dish you have king prawns, salmon, seabass, cod, calamari known as squid. Now I'm gonna add my bechamel sauce. Now I'm gonna top it with crushed potatoes. Now I'm gonna sprinkle cheddar cheese on top of it. Okay, now I top it with the cheddar cheese. I'm gonna put it in the oven for about 25 minutes. Now I'm gonna blanch my green beans. But first I'm gonna put a half lump of butter, unsalted butter. Then add sea salt, any salt or sea salt or any salt. Then add ground black pepper. Then I put my green beans. For about 5 to 7 minutes. My green beans is ready. Now I'm just waiting for the seafood pie to decorate the plate and serve it. That's my seafood pie with brown golden color on top. With a sprinkle of chive on top to garnish it. The seafood pie is ready and served with green beans. Some they call it runner beans, but the popular name is green beans. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share the video with a friend, and please do not forget to click on the post notification bell. So if I upload a new video, you'll be notified.